fear that I ain't enough peers looking for the flaws. Here is it what was thought? Baby, they plotting all here and wishing death on me, but couldn't beat the Paul Bear. So they bearing witness. I'm a hand on my business, got my hand on this vision, a mission to make a difference. The kitchen ain't hot as I am, and I do the dishes. Do it, I build the bridges that bring the fruit to fruition. Once I started, I finished. No matter how long I fall, the truth be said, I go. I know you probably don't really know me yet. So I go inside, don't push it out. I built the bomb and I'm taking to put it down already. I didn't have preparation. Why you think I'm impatient? Instead of sitting here waiting to have my feet on the pavement, I'ma savor them days that you were gazing amazement. Later remember the same conversation, cause we keep on grinding. And I'm saying that's no matter what life pitch batter up. We keep on thriving. If you started from the bottom, it don't matter cause you got it, oh yeah. We keep on climbing.
It is Key, and welcome back to Kiki's Critique. Y'all saw that title. We are hopping in here real quick, okay, as we are on our 90-day challenge of critiquing ourselves healthy. And what better way to critique ourselves healthy than to give us our top sevens? Y'all know I love doing top sevens because you can get information, boom, 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 just blat out, hit it there, here it is. Let's just jot it down. Let's utilize it. It only works if you work it, okay? And I want to give you some tips and tools that I believe will be life-changing and it will be helpful in your 90-day challenge, okay? Number one of the top sevens, we just go cut right to it, okay? We ain't gonna play no time, no games. We ain't gonna waste no time, okay? Number one on our top 7 ways to lose weight fast. And not just lose weight quickly, dear beloved, my dear, okay, but also to keep it off. Number one is you got to make up your mind. This has to be a quality decision. A quality decision is a decision that you've thought about long and hard, that you know that this is in your best interest, that you know that by doing this is going to change your life for the better. You got to believe it in your gut. You got to make up your mind in the purest fashion and say, you know what, this is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to let anything stop me. I'm not even going to let myself stop me. If I'm going to put some tools and systems in place that even if I try to change my own mind, that I'm going to be reminded of why I decided to take on this journey, to be a part of this challenge, whether it's health issues, whether it's you want to just, be healthier, to be there for your family, whatever your why is, whatever's going to motivate you to do this, whatever that thought process that says this is what I need to do, we're going to stick with it. We're going to make up our minds and keep it set. That's number one. Make up your mind. Make a quality decision to say, you know what? I'm about to lose weight, baby. Okay, baby about to be snatched, honey. Okay, she about to be right, darling. Okay, and I ain't gonna stop at nothing until I get it together. Okay, so make up your mind. Number 2 in the top 7 ways to lose weight and keep it off. Number 2 is educate yourself, my darling. Education is key. You want to educate yourself on things that may work for you because you know your personality. You know your characteristics. Attend YouTube University. That's what I like to call us, okay? All of our content creators out here. We are all teachers and instructors and influencers here at YouTube University. So find some YouTube persons like myself, like your girl, okay? Because we're going to have some tips and stuff and tricks over here that's going to get you right. Going to have some good recipes. But find somebody that you vibe with. Find people and research that you say, that's me. I'm a sweet person. I love sweets. I can't cut sweets out. Well, then you got to find ways to have a little sweet stuff, supplementing. And we're going to talk about some sweets, the supplement, okay, as we are diving deeper into our healthy living. Or for our physical bodies, but you definitely want to start researching based on your personality and how you eat and how you don't eat and how you do or don't do, ways that may work for you. I didn't say will, I said may work for you because you're going to have to try some things and see what's working. This is where the challenge comes in. This is why we're on a 90-day challenge, because we got to challenge ourselves against our own minds, our own ways of thinking to say, you know what, I'm going to try something different. different. So start researching your people that who story that you could resonate to. And nothing worth having is not going to come easy. So we're going to have to work for it. But these are ways that we can ensure that we're successful by just making up our mind and educating ourselves based on who we know that we are. Okay. Number 2, education is key. Educate yourself, okay? Who are you, boo? How you eat, girl? Are you a late night eater? Come on, sir. Do you like to eat after midnight, big plates of food? Come on. These are things that we're going to have to change in order to reach our goals. Okay, number 3 is set obtainable goals daily, weekly, hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. You hear what I'm saying? You got to set obtainable goals hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. It's very important that you every hour, that you are, persevering, that you're setting a goal, that if you say, what, I'm not going to eat for the next, few hours. I'm going to do, something that's going to, going to do fasting, because that's the next thing that we're going to talk about. But having obtainable goal, if you just saying, I'm going to cut back on carbs this week. I'm going to change this week. I'm going to do something different. You want to set a goal that you know that you can obtain. Don't be unreasonable. Say, I'm just going to juice just right off the bat. I'm just going to juice for a week. I ain't going to eat no food for 7 days. Okay, that's not realistic. Okay, for some of us, it's not. To just hop in to something like that, you got to prepare your body for change. If you don't prepare your body for anything that you're doing, it's not going to be lasting, and your body is going to resist you. It's going to fight with you. Okay, so don't fight with your body. Coerce your body, guide your body nicely, okay, into the changes that you want to make. So set your obtainable goals hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. All right. That's number 3. Number 4, start to detox. Start to cleanse your body of impurities, teas, certain types of juicing, cutting back on your times of eating. These types of things are going to be very important as you are preparing your body for transformation. You want to detox. You want to start cleansing your body out, drinking more water. That's the main thing of a cleanse for your body. You definitely got to get your water intake, y'all, because it's not going to work. You can't clean your body out if you're not drinking enough water to flush out your system. So, be prepared. That's number 4. Cleanse your body. Detox. Cleanse it out. Get rid of all those impurities. If you are a drinker, one of the big keys to losing weight, and this is just a bonus, okay, while we're detoxing, is giving up alcohol. If you drink wine, if you're wine, I love my wine sometimes, sister girls, okay? Y'all don't judge me. Don't come for me, all right? I drink responsibly, all right? So don't come for me. But what I'm saying to you, if that's something that is something that you do from time to time, that's something you will want to cut out, because you have to cleanse your body out. If you like a lot of sweets, you might want to just cleanse yourself of those sweets. You use fruit instead. You need to supplement. So cleanse and detox your body. That's number 4. Number 5, yes, of the top 7 ways to lose weight fast and keep it off. Guys, it is Key, and I am dropping in the middle of this video to say thank you so much for watching this video and being a part of the Critique crew. If you have not, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, if you like the content, be a part of the crew. Come on over to the crew, because we are becoming our highest best self in this season and beyond. And please give me a thumbs up. Show your girl some love. Let me know that you like the video, okay? That you checking me out. Even if you ain't commented today, if you don't have nothing to say, you can at least let your girl know that you out there, that you watching the videos, okay? Give me a thumbs up. And definitely, please share this video if you find it worthy worthy, okay, if you find the content, rich, and it has something that will help somebody else, share it. Share the love. Don't just keep me all to yourself. I know you want to, boo. I know you want to, sis. Just keep them. Share me. Let everybody know the love that we have over here, because it is what we are striving to be about. So, okay, that's all. Back to the program. Number 5 is reduce calories, diet, intermittent fasting. You definitely want to tighten your grip. Some people don't like the word diet, but I see diet as discipline. Okay, you're going to have to tighten yourself up. You're going to have to discipline yourself in such a way that is causing your body to, at this stage, after you make up your mind, and as you educate yourself on who you are, you enter in, you are having obtainable goals, okay, and you set them realistically, then you detoxing yourself. The next step is to discipline your body, tighten it up, diet, do some intermittent fasting. I love intermittent fasting. I'm a 17-7 girl, okay. I love the 7s. So I eat for 7 hours and I fast for 7 hours. I usually begin at 7 o'clock, okay? So 7 p.m., after 7 p.m., I won't eat anything, and then I can eat by noon the next day. And that doesn't have to be hard, y'all. I know that you can feel like, oh my gosh, not eating anything after 7 o'clock. Well, there's times where I will have some lemon water, okay? I'll drink a lot of lemon water. That helps curb appetites. We're going to talk about things that you can do to help you when you're fasting, especially when the summertime comes, because you have the nightlife, it's daytime a whole lot longer. Sometimes things don't get jumping. You can alternate when and what works for you. If you need more evening time and less daytime, if you don't want to start eating until, 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but you want to eat until 10 o'clock at night, you can adjust how it works for you. You're based on your personality and your movement. But for me, after 7 o'clock, I'm really good. Sometimes I push it to 8 because eating by 1 is doable for me, and even sometimes eating by 2 if I don't eat past 9 o'clock. But you just have to figure out what's going on in your life, and you can figure it out. But fasting gives your body a chance to just break down foods and let your digestive take a rest, so proper nutrients can go where it needs to go. It just gives your body some rest and let it do what it needs to do to get rid of all the other things that we have taken into our bodies, and make sure that we are digesting it properly and allow our cells to regenerate. We got to give our body chances to regenerate. So intermittent fasting, get on a diet, discipline yourself in that way, okay? That's number 5. And number 6, okay, of the top 7 ways to lose weight, fast, and keep it off. Number 6 is high alkaline foods, diet, whatever you want to call it. High alkaline is absolutely major. Our bodies need alkaline, okay? We are made up of a lot of alkaline. I can't remember the percentage right now. Please excuse me, okay? I should have wrote it down, but don't worry. We will do a video on it. But I'm thinking that we're like 90% alkaline, something like that. Look it up. Let me know. Put it in the comment section for this video, okay? For those who just need to know right now, I would appreciate that. I may put it there and pin it myself. But alkaline is very important. Eating live foods, fruits and vegetables that grow, that continually grow. Those are the foods that you want to enter into your body. No dead things, no meat and eggs and cheese and all of that type of stuff, because that weighs you down. It's hard. I love cheese, but there are supplements that you can do, plant-based, that you have to have some cheese that would be better for you than, than dairy products, because that is also helps you know it's fatty, and so you just want things that's going to be alive in you. And so if you have meatless Mondays, okay, if you just have one day where you just eat nothing but fruits and vegetables, or 2 days out of the week, and say, okay, well, I'll eat healthier the rest of the week, or eat differently the rest of the week, but 2 days out of the week I won't eat anything but fruits and vegetables. That's giving your body a chance to receive the proper nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that we lack by eating out, and by eating things off the shelves, off the pantries. So high alkaline, that's number 6. Get in more high alkaline water, drinking water that is high in alkaline. You just want to feed your body as much nutrients and minerals that you possibly can. And number 7, finally, number 7. What? Number 7, how we gonna lose weight and keep it off? Number 7. Woo, 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 woo. Exercise. We gotta move our bodies. Yes, exercise. Figure out how to move. We gotta exercise. If we wanna lose weight, we gotta exercise. We gotta move our bodies. Gotta burn the calories. Gotta get toned up. We gotta move something. Move something. The only way that is gonna help with all the other things that we're doing is moving our bodies. Come on, y'all. We can't stay stagnant. We can't sit on the couch all the time. Exercise helps tones us up. It helps as we're losing weight, that we don't get flabby, that the skin don't droop, that we can be stronger. The exercise keeps us moving. We can get exercise in by cleaning up our house, okay, walking the dog, walking just for mental health. We can get exercise just by move something, washing dishes, break out in a dance. I love to listen to music while I'm in the house and stuff, because it makes me move something, and that's exercise. You can do 5 minutes every hour, but you definitely want to move your body. The more you move your body, it allows you to burn calories. It keeps your metabolism flowing. It helps all these other things that we are implementing just come together in such a way where you will drop that weight, baby. When I tell you, I know, because these are the things that I have done to lose my weight and to keep it off. Like I told you, I have gained some weight, and a lot of that is haven't been exercising. I wasn't doing these things, but once I get these things back going and doing those things, that weight just falls off. I am not where I used to be, thank God, but I'm not where I want to be. But this right here will get me there. It will definitely get me there, and it will get you there too. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I would love to answer any questions. Also, check out kikiscritique.com. Check out the blog, because we are going to be blogging. There's going to be more information there based on what we're talking about here, just to feed you during the week. So definitely just check us out. Stay plugged into the Critique Crew channel, and we will become our highest best self. You will lose that weight. You will work on your mind. You will have a stronger spirit. All we have to do is stick together and keep motivating each other. And I got you. I got you. So I hope you guys appreciate this top 7. I hope that it was helpful. Keep replaying the video. Take notes. Write it down. Grab your pen and your pad, because every time you come over here, baby, you want to be ready to receive this information. So until next time, crew, God bless you. Thank you for joining me, and bye.